details.
Good morning. Well, where we had the torrential rain yesterday, it's going to be a drier day today, also a warmer one. There are still some showers and some rain in the forecast, but for most of us, it is drier, with temperatures still into the mid-20s for some. I'll have more in 15 minutes.
Carol, thank you.
It was all over the place, wasn't it?
It was indeed. Good morning, both. Good morning to you. It certainly was a day of extremes, because in parts of Manchester, Greater Manchester, we had 30 to 40 millimetres of rainfall in an hour or even less. That is torrential. Spectacular thunderstorms, as Charlie was saying. And we also had the hottest day of the year so far. That's a good stat for this stage in September. Gravesend, 34.4 Celsius. But under the cloud and rain, temperatures were lower. So a real contrast. Now, what we have today is the remnants of that front draped across Scotland, introducing cloud and patchy rain. It's drifting steadily towards the west, and we've also got the other end of it across Northern Ireland doing exactly the same. There's a low cloud this morning across the eastern counties of Scotland down towards the Wash. We could still see some of that and the coastal fog sweep in across the shoreline of parts of East Anglia, but move away from that, any patchy mist and fog will lift quite readily in the sunshine, and we're looking at a humid start to the day. Temperatures 21 Celsius in London at 8 o'clock. It's 20 at the moment. Now you can see through the day also we hang on to this low cloud in the coastal mist and fog. That will have an adverse impact on the temperatures, but a lot of us seeing a lot of dry weather. A lot of sunshine around, a much drier day across the west compared with yesterday. However, as temperatures rise, there is the risk of some thunderstorms developing. Now, it's a small risk, but where we're likely to see them would be the North Midlands, North Wales and North West England. Talking of temperatures, look at them. We've got highs up to 28, but somewhere in this southeastern corridor we could hit 31 or 32. Fresher across Scotland and Northern Ireland, temperatures closer to where they should be at this stage in September. However, in some parts of the west, where the sun breaks through, we could hit 23 or indeed 24. Now, through the evening and overnight, this low cloud and coastal mist and fog will spread further inland, getting in towards the Midlands. There will be some clear skies around, our weather front pushing out towards the Atlantic, and some showers just flirting with the Channel Islands and the south coast. It's going to be another muggy night, as you can tell just by looking at those temperatures, particularly as you travel further south. So tomorrow we start on that cloudy and muggy note. Again, a lot of low cloud. That slowly recedes back towards the coastline in eastern England and eastern Scotland. The sun will come out and our weather front out in the west starts to come back. So it will bring some patchy rain in across western Scotland, fringing into Northern Ireland. But if you have another look at those temperatures, still up in towards 29, 30 in the south. But as this weather front sweeps across us, it's going to bring in some fresher Atlantic conditions, Lou and Charlie.
OK, thank you very much, Carol. And people are sending us extraordinary pictures from yesterday as well. So thank you to them. Thanks to you. See you later.
Thanks.